of the other solar system. Venus. Venus has a similar size and density to Earth, but it is blanketed by an atmosphere of carbon dioxide, so thick that nights are as hot as days. The temperature across the surface stays around 470 degrees Celsius. Venus is tilted, but it is minuscule 2.6 degrees. The angle is too small to evoke any obvious seasonal change. But then the atmosphere can spread the heat evenly if it did. The seasons are short. In Venus, the length of the seasons is 55 to 58 days. Thank you.
The Earth's axis is tilted from perpendicular to the plane of the ecliptic by 23.45 degrees. This tilting is what gives us 4 seasons of the year: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Since the axis is tilted, different parts of the globe are oriented towards the sun at different times of the year. The length of seasons are 90 to 93 days.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to talk about Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in the solar system. It is red in color. There is no gravity and water in Mars. Hence, people cannot live there. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. Olympus Mons is the largest volcano. It has 2 moons, Phobos, Deimos. Thank you.
Jupiter, like Venus, has an axial tilt of only 3 degrees. So, there is literally no difference between the seasons because of its distance from the sun. Seasons change more slowly. The length of seasons are 3 years. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Saturn. I take around 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Making each season on Saturn, Earth moves through all its seasons repeatedly. All the while, Saturn remains in just one season. Length of seasons are about 7 years. Thank you.
Good evening to all. My name is Divin. My topic is Uranus. For 221 years, seasons of Uranus, the winter-summer seasons, poles of Uranus either pointed more or less either toward the sun or away from it. Length of seasons about 20 years. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Shani of class 6A. I'm going to tell about Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and furthest planet from the Sun. It is the 4th largest planet in the solar system. Neptune has around 14 young moons, and Neptune was discovered on 27th September in 1840. Thank you.
Pluto's temperature range is minus 418 to minus 364 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, Pluto is not warm, but it has warmer seasons.
Hi everyone, I am Ashwin Kumar of Standard 6A. I am going to talk about seasons which I do. Summer. Summer is an important season. In summer, it's the hottest season in the world. Winter. Winter is the coldest season in the world. In winter, days are short and nights are long. Autumn. Autumn is a mid-season of summer and winter. Spring. Spring is a season of flowers which arise after winter and before summer. Thank you.
One of the most significant seasons among all other in the world is the winter season. A drop in temperature along with dryness in the atmosphere is observed with the incoming of winter. The winter season starts in the December and ends in the midweek of February. Thank you. Now we
can see about summer season. Summer is the hottest season of the year. The summer season starts month of March and ends in the month of June. During summer, days are long and nights are short. This is season of fruits and mangoes, oranges and watermelon. The wind blowing in the northern plain in summer is known as Lu. Summer is the happiest season and I like summer so much. Now we can see about autumn season. In autumn season, all the seasonal trees start shedding their leaves. The fruit ripen and plucked off the trees. There is yellowish color everywhere as all the leaves became yellow after falling from tree. The autumn season is followed by winter season. The autumn season is also known as falls. Now we can see about spring season. Spring season of the flower which arrives after winter season and before the summer. During the spring season, weather became pleasant and the days grow longer. It is a season of fragrance, beauty, fresh leaves and flowers. In India, the spring starts from February and lasts till the mid of April. Thank you. Now you know more about season. Thank you.
I'm C. Sarvesh. I'm studying 6th standard A section and I'm going to tell you about seasons. There are 4 types of seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer. In this season, buds are bloom. Day are long, night are short. North of the equator, March, April, May. South of the equator, September, October, November. Summer. Summer is the season between spring and autumn. In this season, day are long, night are short. North of the equator, June, July, August. South of the equator, December, January, February. Autumn season. Autumn season is a season between summer and winter. Leaves are shed down this season. Day are shorter, night are long. North equator, September, October, November. South equator, March, April, May. Winter season. Winter is the season between autumn and spring. Day are short, night are long. North of the equator, December, January, February. South of the equator, June, July, August.
Hello all, my name is Shrika and this is my art of the 4 seasons. This is spring. It starts from 21st March and it is also known as vernal equinox. This is autumn. It starts from 23rd September. It is also known as autumnal equinox. This is summer. It starts from 21st June and it is also known as summer solstice. This is winter and it starts from 23rd December and it is known as winter solstice. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Lakshana from class 6A, here to talk about winter. Winter is the coldest season in the year in polar and temperate zones. It does not occur in most of the tropical zone. Winter is caused by the axis of the earth in that hemisphere being oriented away from the sun. It occurs after autumn and before spring. Winter starts in December and ends in March. Come, let's see about advantages and disadvantages of winter. Advantages of winter. It will improve your brain function. It will help you get a better night's sleep. Improvement in efficiency. Less crowding. It will help you fight off infections. Disadvantages of winter. Crops won't be able to grow in a deep condition. Heavy snow can damage trees and shrubs. Driving requires extra care and attention. Road conditions can become dangerous. It makes you lazy according to the weather. Winter is a hard time for animals. I hope you all got many information about winter. Thank
Thank you all.
Hello everyone, I am Vijeta and I am going to talk about autumn. How does autumn occur? In autumn, the planet isn't tilted towards or away from the sun. It's roughly side on. And for 2 days each year, the Earth's tilt is exactly side on to the sun. The 2 days are called equinoxes and they fall in the middle of spring and autumn, usually on September 22nd and March 22nd. The vegetables which grow in the autumn season: broccoli, peas, cauliflower, beans, carrot, onion, spinach, purple sprouting broccoli. The fruits which grow in the autumn season: buttersquash, apple, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, pear, carrot, cauliflower, blackberry, celery. What is special about autumn? The time of the year that Keats called the season of mists and mellow fruitfulness. Autumn is a season famous for its harvest times, turning leaves, cooling temperatures, and darkening nights. Thank you.
My model is about spring. I have done by clay modeling. Spring is the season of new beginnings. Fresh buds bloom, animals are wakened, the earth seems to come to life once again. The spring season is a season of 2 months, which are March and April. Thank you.
A season is a division of the year based on changes in weather, ecology, and the number of daylight hours given in a region. On Earth, seasons are the result of Earth's orbit around the Sun and the Earth's axial tilt relative to the ecliptic plane. In temperate and polar regions, the seasons are marked by changes in the intensity of sunlight that reaches the Earth's surface. In temperate and subpolar regions, the 4 seasons based on the Gregorian calendar are generally recognized as spring, summer, autumn or fall and winter. Ecologists often use a 6-season model for temperate climate regions, which are not tied to any calendar dates: prevernal, vernal, estival, serotinal, autumnal and hibernal. And many tropical regions have 2 seasons: the rainy, wet or monsoon season and the dry season. Some have a 3rd cool, mild or harmattan season. Now coming to Venus. Venus also has a smaller orbit than Earth, which makes its seasons shorter and variations in temperature and conditions extremely slight. Its seasons last a mere 55 to 58 days as opposed to 90 to 93 days on Earth.
The solar system is actually on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Scientists believe that Titan experiences seasons, has clouds that rain, and has an atmosphere made largely of nitrogen, just like us. By the time you reach gas giant Saturn and its beautiful rings, you are really far from the Sun, about 900 million miles. That's almost twice as far out as Jupiter. That distance comes with a freezing average temperature of about 285 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus. Uranus is known as an ice giant and it lives up to that name. Its temperature is about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Since Uranus is so far away, it takes about 84 Earth years to make a single orbit, and each of its seasons is 21 Earth years long. Thank you.
Pluto season. Pluto season with an orbital eccentricity 0.24, Pluto is almost twice as far from the Sun at aphelion than at perihelion. Its seasons are aligned with to spring. Thank you.
There are familiar winter, spring, summer, and fall caused by the planet's tilt. 25 degrees to Earth's 23. But there are also two additional seasons, aphelion and perihelion, which occurs because of Mars' highly elliptical orbit. Jupiter, like Venus, has an equatorial tilt of only 3 degrees, so there is literally no difference between the seasons. However, because of its distance from the Sun, seasons change more slowly. The length of each season is roughly 3 years.
Masses about 330,000 times that of Earth. It accounts for about 99.86 of total mass of the solar system. Roughly 3/4 of the Sun mass consists hydrogen, the rest mostly helium, with much smaller quantities of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon and iron. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the Sun. Its orbit around the Sun takes 87.97 Earth days, the shortest of all Sun's planets. It is named after Roman god Mercurius, god of commerce, messenger of the gods, and mediator between gods and mortals, corresponding the Greek god Hermes. Like Venus, Mercury orbits the Sun within Earth's orbit as the inferior planet, and its apparent distance from Sun as viewed from Earth never exceeded 28%. This approximately the Sun means the planet can only be seen near western horizon after sun or eastern horizon, usually in twilight. At this time, many appear as a bright star-like object is often more difficult to observe than Venus. From Earth, the planet telescopically displays the current range of phases, similar to Venus and the Moon, which recurs over the synchronic period of approximately 116 days. No seasons in Mercury because Mercury's axis of rotation is tilted just 2 degrees from respect to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. That means it spins nearly perfectly upright and so does not experience any seasons like other planets do.
Mercury. It is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, but it is not the hottest. It has a very thin atmosphere that is unable to trap heat. There are no clouds, rains or winds. Temperature vary extremely from scorching days to bitter nights. Venus. It is the hottest planet with a thick atmosphere. Acidic clouds traps heat, causing extreme global warming. Earth. It has a mix of oxygen and hydrogen in atmosphere and a thin shield of ozone that protects from harmful UV. High and low pressure brings wet and dry. Its 23.5 degree tilt allows from seasonal difference through the year. Mars, the red planet, has a thin atmosphere. The iron content of its surface brings the reddish color. Its extremely elliptical orbit and axial tilt of 25 degree produced huge variance in conditions, particularly violent dust storms. Jupiter. It has no distant season and it is perpendicular covered in clouds. This gas giant place hosts to violent storms. Most famously, it is its Great Red Spot, a hurricane with winds in excess of 400 mph. Twice the size of the Earth, the red spot has been wagging over 400 years. Saturn. It is the another gas giant with an average temperature of 178 degrees Celsius. It has a thick layer of clouds containing ammonia in upper layers and ice in lower layers. Winds can reach 1000 mph combined with many lightning strikes. Uranus. It is the coldest planet in the solar system. It has an extreme tilt of 98 degrees, meaning each pole is in darkness for 84 years. Neptune. It is the further planet from the sun and home to the strangest of weather. It is methane content produce the planet faint blue color, cold, dark and very wind. With dark storms sports. Neptune is influenced by the sun but more so huge cosmic rays from the outer space. Pluto. It is about 3.6 million away from the sun and it has a thin atmosphere composed mostly of nitrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. On average, Pluto temperature is 387 degrees Fahrenheit, making it too cold to sustain life. Thank you.
Kumar of class 6B. It is all about Mercury. The smallest sun is our solar system. The nearest to the sun. Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury does not have the moon and rings. Mercury's surface temperatures are both extremely hot and cold. Because the planet is so close to the sun, their temperature can reach about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Without an atmosphere to retain that heat at night, temperatures can dip as low to the negative. Speaking about the seasons of the Mercury. Mercury's axis of rotation is tilted just 2 degrees with respect to the plane of its orbit around the sun. That means it spins nearly perfectly upright and so does not experience seasons like other planets. Mercury possesses a thin exosphere and is composed mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium and potassium. Thank you. Venus is the second planet for the Sun. It is named after the Roman goddess love and beauty. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus is hotter than.
Now we are arrived to end, and I thank all my classmates for sharing wonderful knowledge.